Hi, wanna know how to change notification sound on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab, name of which is sound and vibration. Click on it and then scroll down again until you'll find this tab, name of which is default notification sound. So we would need to click on it, and here you'll be able to find a huge gallery with a lot of options for your new notification sound. So for example, let's choose gems, and here listen to some of them. By clicking on each of the notification sounds, you'll be able to hear them. And like this, you can choose the most perfect one for you. When you have chosen, let's click save on this right upper corner. And this is it. We have successfully changed our notification sound. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.